Hello children, myself Ishwar Chand Balichwal welcomes all of you. Today we are continuing our chapter 11, perimeter and area. Okay. Now in this chapter we study about circumference of a circle. Okay. Circumference of a circle. This is our circle. This is the center of circle and this is radius. OP is radius R. Okay. So what is the circumference of circle? Sum of boundaries, and the boundaries, sum of boundaries of the circle is known as circumference. Okay. So the circumference of circle is nothing else. It is the perimeter of circle. That is sum of boundaries. Okay. So sum of boundaries of the circle is circumference of circle, which is known as 2 pi r. Here the 2 pi is the angle, this complete angle 360 degree. When we represent it in radian, it is 2 pi and r is the radius. Okay. So here c is the 2 pi r. If we want to calculate it in the form of diameter, then c equal to pi d. Pi d. Okay. Now we take some example to understand the circumference of circle and how we calculate that. Here the example 1. What is the circumference of a circle of diameter 10 centimeter? What is given? We have given a diameter of 10 centimeter and take pi as 3.14. The value of pi is 3.14. Sometimes it is 22 by 7. Both are same, but for the ease of calculation, we are taking here the value of pi 3.14. Diameter of the circle D equal to 10 centimeter. This is given to us as here. Okay, this is given to us. Circumference of circle C equal to pi D. If we take diameter, then it is pi D. If we take radius, then it is 2 pi r, because 2r equal to D. Okay, r plus r, that is 2r. 2r equal to D. So this become pi into D. Okay, here we provide diameter, so we directly take circumference of circle C equal to pi D. Okay, so 3.14 is the value of pi and D is the diameter. So 3.14 into 10, 31.4 centimeter. This is the value of circumference of circle. So the circumference of circle of diameter 10 centimeter is 31.4 centimeter. Okay, this is our solution. Now we take second example. What is the circumference of a circular disc of radius 14 centimeter? Here we provide radius. So we using the formula C equal to 2 pi r. Radius of circular disc is 14 centimeter. This is given as circumference of disc is 2 pi r, because here we have provide radius, so we use the formula of circumference by using radius. Okay, so this is 2 pi r. Okay, put the value 2. The value of pi is 22 by 7 into the value of r is 14. We multiply that. This 14 cancel out by 7 2 times. Okay. Okay. So 2 into 22 into 2, 88 centimeter is the circumference of disc. Okay. So the circumference of circular disc is 88 centimeter. Okay. This way we calculate the circumference of circle. Okay. Now next example, third. The radius of a circular pipe is 10 centimeter. What length of a tape is required to wrap once around the pipe. What we have to provide? The radius of circular pipe is 10 centimeter and we have a tape which is wrapped once around the pipe. Okay, so this is the pipe and we have wrapped our tape like this. So this become the circumference. Radius of pipe R is 10 centimeter. This is provided to us. Length of the tape required is equal to the circumference of the pipe because the tape is wrapped once around the circular pipe. So this is just equal to the circumference of circle. Okay, and circumference of circle is given by 2 pi r. Here is the value of r and the value of pi is this 3.14. So provide 2 here, pi 3.14 and r 10 centimeter. Multiply all the, we get 62.8 centimeter. This is the length of tape required to wrap once. So the length of the tape needed to wrap once around the pipe is 62.8 centimeter. Okay, this way we calculate it. Now the fourth example, find the perimeter of the given shape. This is our given shape. Okay, there is a square shape and all the side of square there is a semicircle. This is semicircle, this is semicircle, this is semicircle and this is semicircle. So all four sides of the square there is a semicircle. So here the boundaries are semicircular. Okay, not the square, because perimeter is always sum of boundaries and this shape have the boundaries are semicircular. So only we take this and this. Means 4 semicircular shapes included the form the perimeter of this shape. Okay, this square shape is not using because this is inside and the boundaries are outsider. So in this shape, perimeter outer boundary is of the shape semicirculars on each side of the square. Okay, diameter of semicircle D. Diameter of semicircle D is 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter. Okay, this is provided to us. Now we know that circumference of circle, if we using diameter, is pi d. C equal to pi d. Okay, so here is the diameter of semicircle is 14. So circumference of one semicircle is half of the pi d. This is the complete circumference and the circumference of semicircle is half of pi d. So we provide half of pi d. Half I value of pi is 22/7 and d diameter is 14 centimeter. Divide the 14/7 2 times and this 2 cancel out by 2 1 time. Okay, so 22 is the value of one semicircle, perimeter of one semicircle, that is circumference of one semicircle. Now we have 4 semicircles, so circumference of each semicircle is 22 centimeter. So therefore perimeter of the given shape, this shape having 4 semicircles, so we multiply this by 4 into 22 centimeter, we get 88 centimeter as the perimeter of the shape. 4 times semicircle, so we multiply 4 and 22, we get 88 centimeter. Okay, example 5. Sonu divides a circular disc of radius 7 centimeter in 2 equal parts. What is the perimeter of each semicircular shaped disc? Okay, so what we have provided, the radius of circular disc is 7 centimeter. Okay, and Sonu divides it in two equal parts. What is the perimeter of each semicircular shape disc? Okay, take pi equal to 22 by 7. This is the circular disc. Okay, and Sonu divides it in two parts. Okay, so we take a single part here. This is single part. Look here. When we calculate the circumference of the circular disc, we take only the outer part. But when this is cut by here, then here this part is also produced, because this is also outer part. So we have to add R and R. This is R and this is R. So 2R. So in the half of the circumference we add this part also, which is 2R or a diameter. Okay. So remember this. When we calculate the semicircular part circumference, we add this part also. Perimeter of semicircular disc is circumference of semicircular shape. This included diameter part, this diameter part. Okay, so first we know that the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, and half of this, half of 2 pi r, which is pi r. This 2 cancel by this, and pi r is the half of circumference. But here this is also boundary. So we add this r plus this r plus r. So we get pi r plus 2r as perimeter of semicircular shape. Semicircular shape having the perimeter pi r plus 2r, because this 2r is also outside boundary. Now put the value. Radius of circular disc is 7 centimeter. So r is 7, pi is 22 by 7 plus 2 into r, 2 into 7. This 7 cancel by this 7. Okay, and we get here 22 and 7, 14. So 22 plus 14 is the value of semicircular shape perimeter, 36 centimeter. Okay, perimeter of each semicircular shape disc is 36 centimeter. Okay, so this way we found the perimeter or circumference of different circular shapes. Now we study area of circle. Area of circle. Okay, here is a circle, or we know that the circumference of complete circle is 2 pi r. So circumference of this half circle is pi r. Half of 2 pi r is pi r. So from here to here, this is pi r. Now we make equal 8 part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 part of this circle for understanding. If we take more part, it is more clear. But we take here only 8 part. Each part having the radius r. Okay, and half of that part make pi r, and the half of the rest part make also pi r. Okay, here when we remove this one part, it looks like this. R is the radius from here to here. R is the radius. Okay, and this part is the circular part. Okay, so there are 8 part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We provide these 8 part in this shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so one part of this side and one part of this side. We arrange them. Here we get a shape like a rectangle. Okay, this is pi r, and this is having 4 part. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this 4 part makes pi r, and this is r. So this is r. This is also pi r, this side. If we provide many parts of this circle, then this is just equal to straight. Here we take only 4 parts, so it is some corrugated shape. But when we divide this complete circle in thousands of parts, then it looks like straight line. Okay. So here understand like this figure like a rectangle. Okay. So shape is likely to rectangle. So area of this shape is length into breadth. So half of circumference is how much? Half into 2 pi r. So to cancel out, this become pi r, and we provide here pi r. So this is pi r. Okay. And area is length into breadth, because this looks like rectangle. So pi r is the length, r is the breadth. So pi r into r. So area of circle is pi r square. Pi r into r square. Okay. This is the way how the area of circle comes. Area of circle is pi r square. But if we want to express this r as diameter, so radius is half of the diameter. So here instead of r we put half of the diameter and the square of that. By calculating it, d square and square of 2 is 4. So pi d square by 4. If we have provided diameter, then we use this formula, pi d square by 4. If we provided radius, then we use this formula, pi r square. Okay, remember this. Now our next example 6. Find the area of circle of radius 30 centimeter. Here we provide the radius 30 centimeter, use pi 3.14. Okay. So our solution, given radius r equal to 30 centimeter as in the question. Area of circle we know pi r square. Okay. So the value of pi is 3.14. Okay. And the value of radius is 30 centimeter. Provide the values, pi 3.14 and radius 30. So square of 30 and the unit is centimeter square. Here when we remove this decimal, there is 2 plus, so we put 1 and 00, and the square of 30 900. These 2 0 cancel by these 2 0, and 9 into 3.314 we give 2826 2826 centimeter square. This is the area of circle. Okay, this way we found the area. Now the next example 7 is diameter of a circular garden is 9.8 meter. Find its area. Okay, we have provide diameter of the circular garden. So diameter of circular garden is 9.8 meter. So radius r equals half of the diameter, d by 2. So 9.8 by 2 is the radius of our circular garden, which is 4.9 meter. When we divide 9.8 by 2, we get 4.9 meter. Okay. So area of the circle is circular garden, which is the area of the circle, pi r square. So the value of pi is 22 by 7. The value of r is 4.9. So 4.9 square. We get 22 by 7 here, and this 4.9 square means 4.9 into 4.9. We remove the decimal. So we put 0 here, 1 in 0, because the decimal is after 1 place. So we put 1 0. Here also we remove the decimal, so we provide here 10. Now this 7 divide this 49 7 times. So 22 into 49 into 7, this comes 7546, and 10 into 10 is 100. Okay, so by dividing this, we put decimal here after 2 place, so 75.46. We know that whatever be the value of denominator, if there is 1 and 0 0, then whatever be the 0 here, we just put decimal after that place. Here the 2 0, so we put the decimal after 2. So 75.46 meter square. Okay. Now we have provide a figure in which a shaded portion is looking like this. Here is the larger circle and here is the smaller circle. they both make the shaded portion. Okay, so what we have to do? Find the area of shaded portion of the above figure, this above figure. Radius of circle 10 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Larger having 10 centimeter, smaller having 4 centimeter each. And we have to find the area of shaded portion. So first we found the area of larger circle, then we found the area of smaller circle, and we subtract the area of smaller circle from larger circle, so we get this shaded portion. So first we calculate area of larger circle. This is larger circle and radius of larger circle is 10 centimeter. Radius 10 centimeter. Area of larger circle is pi r1 square. R1 is 10 centimeter. This is R1 and this is R2. So 3.14 and R1 is 10 square. Okay. So we get this. Here, when we remove this decimal, here is the 100 and square of 10 is 100. So this 100 is cancelled out by this and we get 314 centimeter square. Now area of smaller circle, this is pi r2 square. 3.14 into r2 is 4, so square of 4. By solving this we get 50.24 centimeter square. Okay, so area of shaded region, this shaded region, so we have to do, we subtract the area of smaller circle from the area of the larger circle. Here is the area of larger circle 314 and area of smaller circle 50.24. So we subtract them, we get 263.76 centimeter square. Now this is the area of shaded region. This way we have to calculate the area of circular parts or shapes. Okay, so using this knowledge, solve the exercise. Okay, next exercise, and this is your homework for today. So do your homework. If you have any difficulty, then contact on my WhatsApp, personal WhatsApp number. Okay, have a nice day. Thanks.